Well, guys, it is March 1st today, I believe. It's right at legal. Hunting the first and probably the only pond for spring snow goose conservation that we're going to do in Kansas here. Done on the 11th, so we got like 8 more hunts or something. Got quite the spread out. I'll show you here right now. As you can see, pretty big. Got some even over on that side. Runs way back into there. Not sure what the numbers were on here. Was not the one scouting it, but still it was pretty solid. Rocking Taiwi waders again. Ran these for 3 days straight now in water and with breaking ice and no holes, and it's not leaking yet. And I put them to the test in that ice, and I was breaking a bunch of sticks over there with it too, which ideally you don't do waders, and they held up, so pretty happy with that. If you want to get yourself a pair, go over to their website, link will be in the description. Use my code WC18 to save some money. We got Bobby here. Bobby Guy Films here with us today, and I believe 8 clients. I think there's like 12, 13 of us total. I'm just gonna sit up by the fence line here, laying under a ghillie, and try and do some filming. My finger, I don't know how you can see it, but right there, when I shoot my M2, I get a big bruise, and that's been there for 3.5 months. Then spring snow, switched my gun to my snow goose gun, and on this finger, that cut started, so fingers hurt pretty bad. They got pretty dry after I got it all muddy yesterday, so not too bummed about shooting. So hopefully get some greasy footage. So there's a couple roosted here, but not very many at all. Just enough to hear them. I didn't really see how many there were, but definitely wasn't a ton. And lots of ducks flying around. Gotta be careful with them, but hopefully we should get some snow soon. So stay tuned. It's a good start. Clients brought their own dogs this trip, so Boost is retired for today. Well, I guess the next 2 days as well. A couple of black labs, or actually I think one's a lab, one's a pointer. Looks like a blue there. Oh no, juvie. Pretty sure I hear more coming. Dog better hurry. Got them all. That dog shakes off. Second gets to shore every time. Looks like a pretty gray one. So far, I believe every flock, minus that last one, that was relatively in hearing range of the calls, came in. So far, so good. I wish that one flock that was flipping though would have finished perfect like the first pass. That would have been sick, but still some pretty good footage. Must be more coming. What the heck is Buddy Guy doing? Well, they don't like something, but Buddy Guy here is literally 10 minutes. I don't know that anyone saw him land. Yep. Well, it's been probably a half-hour lull now since we've really seen anything, and we just before that single had one single come over and started off looking good, but then he didn't like it and left, and then as soon as he left, this one came. Definitely different ones, because this one just ate it up, but yeah, not sure how long we're sticking it out here. And then once we decide to call it though, we're gonna go eat. And then sounds like this pond gets pretty greasy in the evening, so we're gonna be back out here tonight, so stay tuned. Probably, I'd say we're around 40, not sure, but probably about 40. Oh, geez. Absolutely disgusting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, holy shit. Ah! Landed behind the guys, or about to, maybe not. Got some migrators that I think are gonna come down. 100% sauce, and they're still flipping. And they're high. Holy smokes. Just disgusting. Come on, do it one more time, boys. Yeah. Just gnarly. That was a shot. That was nuts, guys. Definitely over 100 now. Not sooner than we got in the blind. Just dumped another probably 15, 20 at least. And I'm pretty sure some are the same flock they just shot into that are currently circling. So just crazy. And that footage was just gnarly. They were flipping and doing all kinds of tricks. And yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to work that we come out here in the evening, because it's clearly a loaf, and I don't know, it's probably pushing 11 or after now, so I have a feeling there's going to be birds coming in here if we do go out to eat, but who knows. They said last night it was just disgusting in the evening, so we'll see. There's 4 coming down, so I'm going to switch the camera, but anyway, stay tuned. News for these 3. Come on, focus. And that is going to conclude this morning's hunt. Pretty confident we're over 100, so pretty solid, but I believe we are coming back out here this evening, so I will see you then. Well, we just got back out here for the evening, and we had 2 guys, I believe, stay while we went and got lunch, and they shot 4, so a couple were rolling during the middle of the day, but it's pretty windy, so they should fly early. So just got the couple adjustments done on the decoys, and waiting to see what happens, so stay tuned. Well, guys, it is a few days after that hunt now. We are currently done with spring snow conservation guided hunts here in Kansas with wing chasers. So, got my stuff all packed, leaving early in the morning. Gonna head to South Dakota and probably do a little jump shooting on my way back home. Ended with 183 birds that evening. We went back out. We shot 1 single, but I didn't get it on film. Otherwise, I think we shot all the birds in the morning. So that's why we didn't do so hot in the evening, but yeah, had a good time, and lots of great footage of that hunt. Video is definitely a little longer, as you probably have noticed, but I think it's worth it. Really good footage, and pretty happy with it. So hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. There won't be any more decoy conservation hunts. Maybe one more in North Dakota around 8th or 9th of April. Otherwise, maybe a jump shoot or 2 video, but otherwise it's going to be straight to turkey. So once again, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.